So the body's life forces are known as dosha, and then the body's specific constitution is known as prakriti. And so dosha is made out of these 5 basic elements as I have on the slide. So we've got, if you think of the chakras, they align. So we've got earth at the root, then water, second, fire, third, air, fourth, and then ether, fifth. And then the combination of those elements manifest as 3 humors, and these are the doshas. So vata is air and ether. So I was just thinking we could just feel it in our body. So if you just like a sun salutation, if you just want to dive your arms up and just feel, this is like a vata quality, and then exhale down. And then just do that one more time, inhale up. And then exhale down. So if you think of, yeah, just that, those combination of elements, it just feels like really light, really flowy, really spacey. And then pitta is fire and water. But when people think of pitta, they mainly think of fire. So I was just thinking to feel that energy in our body, just like punch, and you just start, you know, you feel intense, you feel sharp, you know, you're heating up. So this is pitta, that combination of fire and water. And then kapha is earth and water. So if you guys just wanted to, just to feel that in your body, you could just lay down for a moment into supine goddess. So supine poses very much connect us with the earth. So you could probably just feel that heaviness and relaxation, just ease in your body just from, you know, laying in the supine goddess. So this is the element and combinations of kapha.